This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone alarm sound is too low. So if you set an alarm on your iPhone but you see the alarm sound is too low, just follow these quick steps to fix this issue. The first solution is increase your ringer volume. So make sure to disable the silent option and now press the volume up button to increase your ringer volume and then check the issue. And the second solution is change your alarm sound or alarm ringtone. To do that, open clock, tap on the alarm, tap on sound and select another sound from this list and then check the issue. And the third solution is go to settings, tap on accessibility, tap on audio visual. Make sure to put the balance at 0.00 and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset your all customized settings. Go to general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, this solution will fix your alarm sound volume. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.